Welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today I'm going to be doing my September favorites, and I've been kind of wanting to do this for a little while, so welcome. We're almost end of September and we're on the way to October, and pretty excited for October. Don't know if you are, but I'm pretty pumped for Halloween and all kinds of stuff like that. But anyways, before I do, this is my own, of course, September favorites. But let me know down below what's your favorite product that you've been using this September, because there's so many great things out that I've been trying to see if I can find. So before I do, don't forget to subscribe as always, and also check out all the stuff down below in the description below, because there's the latest blog is out, and also a new blog will be coming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And also check out the eye for, of course, the main channel, and comment down below all that stuff down below. What was your favorite beauty product of September, because soon we'll be in October. Okay, before we do, let's get started, shall we? This is my September favorites. Coming in at number 1, we got this little guy. I think I talked about Marc Anthony's products a few times, and I think vlogs, I believe. So this is definitely my favorite. As you can see, it is literally broken. It fell off a sink one day, and it still had stuff in it, so I kind of just didn't want to throw it away, and it's been like this ever since, and I still use it. It's actually in my hair today. I don't know if you can tell, but pretty much is leave-in conditioner, and nourished and detangles, reduce breakage, frizz, and split ends, which is great for my hair because it's very fine, and I use everything in my hair, like dyeing my hair ever so often. So much product in my hair, so this definitely protects it and helps it. I definitely need to get a new one. I used to use the Grow stuff for your hair, but I ran out of that stuff, and just, you know, I use this on the daily, you know, usually when I need a good oomph in my hair. You know what I mean? Y'all need a oomph every now and then. Did y'all see it flying across the room? I was waiting for that to happen. Okay. Now, another product, which is weird to mention in this, but it is a new product that I've used recently, and I have to say I really, really like it, and compared to what I used to use, it's kind of a step up, if you know what I mean. So, we have this little guy, which is the Venice razor. I think I said that wrong, but you know what I mean. So, this is what I've been using lately. And I have to say, it's definitely a step up from what I used to use. I used to use the razor that came with the soap and stuff. Can't think of the name on top of my mind, but the soap would always break for me, and I would replace the razor so much, and I was getting tired of it. So I was like, you know what, let's switch to razor and see how it goes, and I really like it. I actually like it. It's smooth and so worth it. Definitely worth it. And it's cheaper. The razors are way cheaper than the other ones, so definitely a plus for me. Alright, another product which is a new, this little guy right here, which is the Garnier Skinactive, and it is the Micellar cleanses water, and it's an all-in-one, which is removes makeup, cleanses, refreshes, all that stuff, which is great for my skin because it's very sensitive. I used to use makeup wipes, but I was like, you know what, maybe I'll try this because I've been wanting to try it, you know. So I actually really like it. It feels, you know, makes your skin clean, and it actually came with a free gel cleanser as well. I haven't got to try that yet, but I know this one is really good, so it has to be good, right? So I definitely would recommend it, and I usually use just a round makeup wipe things that they got now. So that's what I use, and I kind of like it, honestly. Another product which it's not new, it's a few months now since I've had this, but I really, really, really like this. I use it all the time to brush my teeth. I have sensitive teeth and gums, and anything on my teeth usually irritates them. So this little guy really helps, and it smells good, and it feels amazing on your teeth, and it feels clean, and I really like it. So this definitely is one of my favorites as recently, and definitely have to get some more eventually, but you know when it's your favorite, when it's running out, right? Okay, so we got another favorite, which is the GlamGlow INSTAMUD. I can't remember where I got this from. I think oh, it was Sephora. I was trying to remember where I got it from for some reason. But anyways, this was a few months now since I've had this. Actually, I think I got it this month. Or was it last month? I don't know. But anyways, it's been a favorite, a recent favorite of mine as well. So, you know, I gotta mention it. It's a favorite. And also another favorite that is from the Sephora haul is this little guy. Well, the kit. I don't feel like bringing them all over here, but I love these. They're so soft on your skin and they do an amazing job, and I really love them, and definitely a favorite product of mine. And also the pore stuff is also my favorite. So yeah. Let's see. Another favorite of mine is Better Than Sex Toothpaste Mascara, which is on my eyes today. I don't know if you can see it, but it is. I tried to follow a tutorial today on Instagram from the Tarte Instagram, and I think it turned out pretty good for my first time following a tutorial. So anyways, another one new favorite of mine. I think I got this month, I'm pretty sure. If not, it was the month before. But anyways, I saw a post about this little guy here. I think it was Facebook or something, saying that this really is amazing and it does wonderful on your skin and all that stuff. You know, all that stuff. But anyways, I got it and I tried it, and oh my gosh, it is amazing. First of all, it makes your skin feel incredible, and it feels like it's really getting deep into your skin. I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. Classic Clean, and it's deep cleansing cream. I got this at the Marine Next, which is down the street. I think Walmart and other places carry it, but I'm not too sure. I tried Walmart, but they never have anything I want, so. But this is what it is, so if you want to get it, this is what it is. I'll try to remember to put some stuff, the stuff that I mentioned into this video down below, so look out for that down there. Alright, another favorite, which actually it's been a while that I've had this, I think, but it's a recent one that I've been kind of like coming back to, and it's this little guy here. It is oil influence cream, and it hydrates and hydrates your hair. It's coconut milk, and it's pretty amazing, honestly. I love Herbal Essences. It's definitely one of my favorite brands for hair stuff usually. So, you know what I'm saying. Another hair product. Oh my gosh, I'm just knocking stuff down today. Is this guy. I think I mentioned him a few times. I can't remember when I did mentioning, but here he is. If I didn't, here he is anyways. This one will always probably be my favorite for hair as well, because my hair is so, like I said, sensitive. If it had feelings, it probably would be sensitive. It probably would literally cry. But anyways, the amount of stuff I put in my hair, I need things that make it, I don't know, not die and literally break apart. So this is what I have now. It's the Maui Moisture Hair Heal and Hydrate plus Shield Butter Hair Mask for dry, damaged hair, which is definitely mine. Nice. Next we got, I'm trying not to knock everything over here. Okay. Which is in the Sephora haul as always, which is this beauty, which I used today on this beautiful look today, and I think it looks amazing, which is this little guy here, and yeah, I think it looks amazing. I love this one. It's definitely my most used palette right now, so it's definitely a favorite of mine. It used to be my little black book, but this one's been my favorite a lot lately. So, and of course this one was in the Sephora haul, and I love it, and it's definitely on my skin today, as well as the two Tarte Diamond highlight. I used both of them. I used that guy, and then I used Regal on my skin. I don't know if you can see, but these colors are so beautiful. I mean, I just got some on my pinky, but they're so pretty and shiny and very, very, very glittery and just beautiful. And I think that's all I have for you guys today for my September favorites. I didn't really get very much new products in September. And most of the time I just go back to things I haven't used in a while and be like, oh my gosh, where did I stop using it? And definitely my top favorite is the Tarte palette, and this, and of course I love skincare and I love stuff from hair, and I love trying new things to help shaving and all that type stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this September favorites, and let me know down below what products is your favorites, and maybe I'll try them, and I'll recommend me some products, you know, to try out for this channel. Hopefully we'll be back on the grind for this channel next week. I don't know, because scheduling has been so bad. I can't even have a moment. This weekend, my husband will be off, and I might actually be able to go to the mall and do that stuff, and maybe actually pick up some things to do for this channel. It's been hectic. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this, and don't forget to subscribe and check out all the stuff down below in the description below as always. And also don't forget to subscribe, which is over there. Check out the latest video over here. Check out the eye. And I'll see you guys soon. And I hope you guys have a great day. And that's all. XOXO. Bye.